one you are interrogating, and they are responding, and they are actually giving you their position. The second letter will tell you this is I'm so and so, I'm at this position and at this height. Okay, so that one is normally very, very clear. But with the primary radar, you remember you have a reflection. So it is the reflected signal that comes to you, and it's the reflected signal that you interpret. So these are some of the limitations of primary radar. When we talk of clutter, then we are also talking of things like this. Things like this can be considered as clutter because they are returns which really you don't really need sometimes. Okay. But ducting is very common, like in Mombasa, when they take you to Mombasa, and because I know they take you to Moi International Airport. When they take you to Moi International Airport, be there at around 3 o'clock and tell them you want to see ducting. Okay, they will be able to show you because it is a common thing. At around 11 o'clock at the airport, there is normally a lot of heat. Okay, so you find the land becomes very hot. And because the land becomes very hot, that heat is pulled towards the sea. It goes into the ocean. And when it goes into the ocean, it hits the water starts rising. But at the same time, we have got a lot of cold breeze coming from the deep seas, coming towards the land. Okay. So there is an exchange between the hot air from the land and the cool air from the sea, and that brings about that heating of the water and then the cooling at the same time, and that produces the duct. So if you tell them you want to see ducting, somebody does not understand, so tell them you want to see anomalous propagation. That's anomalous propagation. They will be able to show you how it is